Hey guys, welcome to Instant Film Friday. As you can see, I'm in my car. I was just out and about and I actually got a package today, and I figured I would record this video in my car just as a change of scenery. I am at home. I'm just sitting in my driveway being a creeper, doing an unboxing. So here's the box. It has some tattered Amazon tape. It was a reused Amazon box. I'm not turning it over because it has my address and all that. Yeah, this is what it is. As you remember from last week, I bought this cool little waterproof housing for a Polaroid, and I did not have the Polaroid that went into it, which is the Polaroid SX-70. So I added it to my cameras to get list, and I actually found a lady that was selling it for a really good price. It is not new. It is in pretty bad shape, but for the price, I couldn't turn it down. So it came today. So let's see what we got. Ooh, and there it is, the box. Polaroid SX-70 land camera. This is Model 2. If you don't know, they made a bunch of different models. The Model 1, Model 2, Model 3, the Alpha 1. They made the sonar version. I know I'm missing a few, but this is the Model 2. I'm surprised it came with its original box, so I'm hoping that it is in fairly decent shape. The pictures did not look good, and as you can see right there, the leather all around it is not good, but the camera itself seems like it is in decent enough shape. So let's see what we got here. Ooh, and there we go. So that is what an SX-70 looks like when it's popped open. As you can see, it has the bellows on the side. The viewfinder looks to be in decent shape. It's a little dusty, which is to be expected. This is untested, so I don't quite know if it works. I'm hoping it does, but for the price I paid for it, it will be a good addition to my collection nonetheless. But my next step is to see if I could put it inside the waterproof housing. But this is awesome. I'm surprised I don't have one yet, because this is a very sought-after camera. It is considered the king of all Polaroids. It's considered the king of all Polaroids, and a lot of people look for them. But I really like the folding mechanism. I'm gonna fiddle around with it. I'm gonna see if I could get some film to go into it. They still make film, so that is good. The rollers seem like they're in good shape, so I'm hoping that this actually is a working camera. I'm going to record another clip when I get inside and try tossing this into the waterproof housing so you guys can see what that looks like. If you haven't watched the unboxing of the waterproof housing that I did last week, I will link that in the description below. And also I'll put a card in one of these corners so you guys can click on that and watch that. Let me know what you think. Yeah, I'll talk to you in a bit. So I'm upstairs and I have got my Polaroid underwater housing right here and the new SX-70 right there. I'm going to try putting it in. This is the first time that I'm doing this. I'm going to unclasp the sides. I gotta say, I'm kind of nervous about this. It still smells like salt water. I did some cleaning and I wiped it out and tried cleaning it out, but it still smells kind of funky. But it is clean, so that's good. I'm just going to make sure the inside knobs and stuff are all tight and make room for my camera. I don't want to break it before I even use it. Here it is. So I'm not really quite sure how this goes. You open the camera. So there's that. So I guess you just slide it in. Well, it fits, but I'm not quite sure that's how it's supposed to go. The cover goes on, but it seems a little wobbly. looking through the viewfinder, I can't see anything, so I'm not sure that's how it goes. I'm going to try fiddling with it a little bit. Oh, I think I got it. Hold on. Let me try closing it up. So I can definitely see out of the viewfinder. I guess, I don't know if you guys can see that, but I guess you have to have it at an angle. That way, when the film slide comes out, it shoots into this front portion, which makes sense because that's what it's there for. But it just looks kind of odd being at an angle like that. But I did get it on, and let's see. I don't know if you guys can hear that. That little clicking is the handle pushing against the shutter release button, so that works. I don't have any film in it. I have to pick up film to try it out. But the next step in my plan is to do an underwater test. Now, before you guys ask, what I will do is I'm going to take the camera out. I'm going to stuff paper towel or newspaper or something absorbent on the inside, close it up, dunk it in a pool, preferably, and then let it sit for a little bit, pull it back out, and if everything is dry on the inside, then I will put my camera in, because just my luck, it'll leak and my camera will be ruined. But as you can see, it works great. So far, so good. It went really great. I wasn't expecting it to fit into there that well, but I guess it's what it's made for. So I'm super excited about this. I'm super excited to have this camera in general in my collection. I don't know why it took me so long to get this particular camera in my collection, but now that I have it, I am super excited. It just looks so sleek, so amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching my unboxing and my fiddling with the underwater housing and the SX-70, and I'll talk to you guys next week. Till then, live life instantly.